been a few days after my birthday. I am going to save the best for last because I'm sure you're all curious. This was the birthday present to myself. So this is what I explicitly asked for if she could do it. And she could. She said anything for me. Can you see that? Oliver Eden. I don't know if you have seen this jacket around, but it's bedazzled. It has rhinestones all over it. She's heavy. I think this is so cute. It has like some de-stressing on it. Oh, I like this. I don't like that tag in my neck. Ooh, what if I put on the hood? This is cute and sparkly. I like it. There's like de-stressing, distressing, de-stressing, de-stressed. This hoodie with flash on at night is it. Next, Medicube. This reminds me of banana fudge popsicle. Deep Vita Seed Pad. Oh yeah. Hopefully they're good. Hopefully I like them. My skin likes them. We will see. Okay, anyways, she got me another hoodie. This is from Cotton On in a size small. Oh, this is cute. I do dig the asymmetrical, but I think off the shoulder looks a little bit cuter. Very cute sister. And she got me this little like beach bag. And it comes with a little makeup bag inside. It also has a zipper on top so nothing falls out. There was stuff inside of here too. Okay, one Camellia Deep Collagen V Lifting Gel Mask. Woo! By Round Lab. Interesting. Rose Lychee Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. But this is cute. It's like light pink. Magic Molecule Antimicrobial Skin Spray. Hypochlorous acid solution for face and body. I've seen this on TikTok. I'm sure she's seen this on TikTok and that's why she got it for me. I've been working out lately and after I sweat, this is probably really good if I can't immediately get into the shower. She got me hair ties because she knows that I am constantly losing my hair ties because Coco's over there on the ground and she likes to eat all my hair ties. Burt's Bees Lip Oil. What kind is it? Clear Day. She's like a little bit what's it called, peachy sunsetty. I had no idea that Burt's Bees made lip oil. Oh, another Round Lab sheet mask. Birch Juice Moisturizing Mask. This one feels like a normal mask inside. That's it for what was in here. I actually don't have it in this bag right now, but she also got me a DNA test, which was something that I have been talking about for a very long time, just to like see where my bloodlines flow. And she had already done one. So she got me one, but I already sent it in. So I don't have that anymore, but we can add that to the birthday haul. This is the last gift from my sister. It's like a beige long skirt. It's also from Cotton On. I love it. I just like long skirts and I especially like them during the summer. The mosquitoes eat me up. Last but not least, this pretty baby I bid for. The seller was in Japan, authentic, and she's also on my what is it called, my little vision board for 2026. This is the bag. This was actually one of the bags. I think I have 3 or 2. This is a very old bag. I think it was from one of their like 2003 collections. Do not take my word for that. All I know is like very early 2000s. She's beautiful. Look at this. I can hang my Labubu right here. She is beautiful. She's not perfect though. I remember when I was studying it when it first got here today. There are 2 little dots. Oh yeah, there's like 2 tiny dots right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can see that one. Kind of see that one. Anyway, she's not perfect, but I think for her being one of my dream bags and getting it for $315, shipping was free, so it was $315 exactly. I think she's beautiful. The inside is also very beautiful. Came with whatever this is, I forget. That's not important. This is important. I'm losing all train of thoughts because I'm in love with this bag. This I plan on being my fall bag because literally burgundy and brown, I don't know anything more fall. This part is like metal right here, and it wants to close, not like in a hard way, but like a beautiful, beautiful. Anyways, there's like stuffing in here so she doesn't lose her shape. Which I appreciate so much, so much. I know this bag may not be everyone's cup of tea, but God, am I in love with the burgundy. I feel like I haven't seen Louis Vuitton make this colorway anytime recently, actually. They've been focusing on a very, very bright red and less burgundy. So this one, the day I saw it, I was like, I need to have it. Put it on the vision board. And now she's mine for my birthday. She's a very cute. In Japan, she's gonna be with me. Last time I saw this girl specifically, it was on Amazon, and she was sitting for around I think it was like 16 or 1800. But luckily Japan eBay is amazing because the girls over there love vintage, so now I have her. That was my birthday haul. Very small but very memorable. Made my heart happy. Boyfriend took me horseback riding. That was a very fun birthday gift. That was actually very much a big surprise. Now I want to become a equestrian. I said that right on the first try. Okay, it's about to thunder here. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it. But yeah, bye.